All right, welcome back, everyone. This is Anthony. We are at Cinnaminson Walmart. Cinnaminson Walmart, sorry. And I did a video about the Valvoline Restore and Protect, and I said I was going to get some of this for my vehicles. Well, I'm here to get some. Yeah, so this 520, why is there, was it just stacked wrong?
Yeah, because stackers don't really like stock and stuff, right? Yeah,
so it's $30 for 5 quarts. So we're gonna get that. So we're gonna get once and twice. And I would like to buy it in 1 quart. But I don't think they just have it in 1 quart. We're gonna go back over here. Wow, is that crazy? So Walmart has it in stock. I would like 1 quart.
Oh, they got them in 1 quarts right here.
They do. What? So they have them in 1 quarts, but they don't have it in the higher viscosity, 530. Interesting.
Oh, they do right there, 530, right?
No.
Oh.
I was saying you could add this to a lot of different vehicles for deposits. This is a very, very, very good stuff here. So we're gonna do 1 for my Sequoia, and we're gonna do 1 for my F-150. Thanks for watching.